Right? Many parents and students are eager to know when and how they can return to their universities in the fall. Today, the United Faculty of Florida and the Florida Education Association released their official recommendations for reopening state college and university campuses. As you can expect, 10 Tampa Bay's Candace Avila says prepare for a different campus experience.
How can you enforce these face mask rules?
Questions about enforcement popped up as the United Faculty of Florida and Florida Education Association reviewed their recommendations for reopening state colleges and universities. One main recommendation being wearing face masks.
Well, right now the recommendations are for interior spaces.
Others include social distancing in classrooms, workspaces, and buses, following CDC guidelines, no touch hand sanitizers inside and outside of classrooms and bathrooms, and daily sanitation of school facilities. One big item noted in the 16-page report was additional funding for mental health services. It acknowledged what a traumatic time this has been and emphasized the importance of providing crisis teams to monitor and help with emotional health at each facility. It's clear there will be changes come fall, the report stating schools that seek to return to normal will fall short. But all these changes begs the question, how will this be paid for?
Rainy day funds, there's foundation money, there's reserves, there's more money for higher education in the HEROES Act, which has passed the House. And we hope everyone concerned will help us in urging our two Florida senators to vote for passage of the HEROES Act, and that our administration and our leaders, especially at the state level, take into account that we need to maintain our funding or we're not eligible for the maximum amount of money that could come our way.
So what's next? These guidelines do not need to be approved by the Board of Governors or state officials. Instead, they will be sent to all Florida schools for school leaders to pull from as they create their own reopening plans.